Welcome to Honeybee Cooking, and I'm your host, Honeybee Cool. Today, I have something a little special for you. The cocktail queen herself, Ciroc Candy, is here, and she is going to make us some watermelon martinis. So let's let the cocktail queen do her thing.
Well, hello everyone. I'm here today with Honeybee Cool, and today I'm going to be making cocktails. I'm making watermelon martinis, which is a delightful summer cocktail. So to get started, you need one watermelon, which I'm going to cut up. The best way to cut it is turn it over and then slice it across.
See, I don't be buying watermelon because it be hard to cut.
Right. So the key to cutting watermelon, I found out, is easily just turn it over and just slice it like this and cut it like this, and then it makes it so much easier to slice it that way as opposed to cutting the whole entire watermelon. So we cut the pieces of the watermelon, cut it up in chunks, and we're going to put it in the blender. Just put the blender. My hands are clean. I did wash them before we got started. So I usually use like one watermelon and it makes a good amount. Honeybee Cool, what are you making today for dinner?
Oh, we are going to have some deep fried red snapper stuffed with rice, a seafood rice.
Sounds good. And as I said, this is a wonderful cocktail for the summer, and the best part about it, you use vodka, and vodka you could freeze. So when you make it, if you make a lot, you don't want to use it all at once because, watermelon gets kind of rancid after a couple of days. You basically could take a bottle, any type of empty glass bottle is best, and you could pour the watermelon martini mix after it's made and freeze it. So this way when you take it out, it's already nice and cold, and you could use it, later on, a couple of weeks later. And usually, I don't leave it in the freezer too long, but I would say, it lasts at least 2 or 3 weeks,
Oh, okay.
You can come back and revisit. You don't have to make the whole batch all over again. Okay, you'll take a glass, and now I'm going to make my simple syrup, which is basically water, fill it all the way up pretty much, almost to the top. Then I'll take limes. I usually work with like 1 or 2 limes, cut it in half. You just want to get the lime juice and squeeze it in the water. So, I usually squeeze the lime. I should have rolled it first to kind of make it softer. Another trick to make lime soft, just FYI, you could actually zap it in the microwave for a couple of seconds and it makes it soft. And just squeeze some lime juice in it.
Oh, my fish is big.
Oh, wow. Okay, so that's 1 lime. Probably use another half a lime. Now I get the lime juice and all the lime squeezed out in 1 1/2 lime. Now I'm going to make the simple syrup. Continue with sugar. And I always use Domino's because Domino's never disappoints. But basically you can use any kind of sugar. I just personally always like Domino's, but sugar is pretty much sugar. So now I put pour some sugar, quite a bit, because you want to make it sweet. So just keep pouring the sugar in it, stirring it until it's basically cloudy. And it's super sweet. Perfect. So then now we take the simple syrup, the whole glass, and pour it halfway, until it gets halfway filled up. Well, actually, yep, the whole glass. As you can see, it fills up to the blender halfway. And then now we're gonna put the blender on. She has a fancy blender. Blend the mixture.
There we go.
Wow, it's a powerful blender.
Add the rest of it.
Okay. Yeah. We can
I just
add
wanted
the
to get
rest
it
now.
down a little bit.
Okay. So we had some left over. Oh. Okay. I spilled some on the floor. Okay. And then how do you just
smooth?
Okay, so we're nice. We got everything purified, liquefied. So now we pour it in a pitcher or a big large bowl or container, whatever you have. And so now we add vodka. And
how much vodka?
Well, to your tasting. If you like the taste of vodka, you know, I don't measure, I just pour and taste. So I'll let you decide and be the tester and taste it and tell me. I'll start off with maybe like 3/4 of or a 1/4 of a cup of vodka. Then a little triple sec. Triple sec, I usually use the Coupier, which is a really good brand. But if not, Lords. And I'll put a little triple sec, not much. Maybe if I had to measure, maybe a 1/4 cup to start out with. And I like to add a little tonic water. I usually use the Fever Tree Light. Gives it a nice, it cuts down on the sugar some. So now I'll pour a little bit, maybe about 1/4 of a little bottle, not much. Because this is, you know, just to give it a little cut down on the sugar. Thank you, Honey Be Cool.
You're welcome.
So I usually use, you know, ice just to chill it. Enough to chill it. It does dilute the alcohol, but depending on your taste buds, you kind of decide what you like. So I am going to pour a little bit, so now I can taste it. Alcohol or more sugar or whatever I might need. It's a little sweet. So then now I'm going to add a little bit more vodka so you can taste vodka. Because like I said, the triple sec and the simple syrup is a lot of sugar. So this is definitely not to drink if you're dieting or if you have diabetes. But it is a nice summer cocktail. So I'll take another glass and taste this since I poured more vodka. Perfect. Honey Be Cool, would you like to taste it?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Very good.
Very good. Wait till it gets chilled. And
Very
then
good.
later on we'll come back once it's chilled and then I'll tell you how to serve it because you want to have nice fresh mint to put in the glass and garnish it with. So, okay, so stay tuned. I'll see you later.
Me and the cocktail queen are going to eat. So we're going to close out. I made some tartar sauce as well. You never know what people like. So be sure to like, subscribe, and if you like what you see here, why not share?
Cheers. Here's a delicious meal and a wonderful cocktail.
Yes, cocktail maker.
Cheers. Cocktail queen, Honey Be Cooking. Peace
Ciao
out.
for now.
Peace out. Deuces.
Peace.